What's up, guys? It is the day before Kentucky's turkey season. It's Friday. Just got pulled in here. This is gonna be camp for the weekend. Got the tent right there, cooler, little fire pit. Peyton's on his way. Then we're gonna get everything set up. But yeah, it's the same spot we camped a couple years ago. It's a beautiful little holler back in here, if you can see. Got a little stream running right here, and then we got the river right out that way. But it's a lot of public land around us. We're gonna try to get after some birds in the morning. Looking like pretty decent morning. Sun should be shining. Might be a little windy because we got a cold front moving in with some storms tomorrow evening. I think about 2 or 3 o'clock. It's supposed to be some pretty bad storms. Heavy rain, high winds, all Saturday evening into Sunday morning. So then I'm hoping it clears up before daylight Sunday. Hopefully the wind dies down and we can get back after them Sunday. But definitely counting on a good morning in the morning. Hoping we get after some birds. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything set up here. We'll see you in a minute.
Creek, that first holler on the left. I think me and you have hunted up there before.
Yeah.
That first holler on the left.
I stopped there a couple times. I ain't heard the first bird.
Yeah, there was 4 strutters in the road right there. So I might hunt there too.
Alright, me and Ryder are going to try to roost a bird for me to get after in the morning.
That almost looks like a bobcat. That looks way too big to be a squirrel.
I seen a bobcat up here last year.
Yeah, this is about right where it's at. It's gonna be right up here. It's steep.
Yeah, it is steep on the side that they're on.
So get up there to the top. And
Go that side and
yeah,
then
that's what I'll
cross the
do.
drain up there.
Somebody's camped right here. Ain't it? Fire on it, brother. That's not good. Like, actually, what do I do? Screech at him one time. Ruh-roh.
He's right on the river.
Yeah, he didn't sound far.
I heard like 20 different gobblers there.
There's one up here and one over there. I know that one.
And then there was another one down there. Listen. There's one roadside. Hey, there's one roadside right here.
Go hunt him tomorrow.
There's one here, there, and there, dude.
That's money, though. That's the tent that I didn't.
Take it down in the morning and set it back up.
Yeah.
Alright, it's time to get in bed. We got turkeys chasing in the morning. Shout out Peyton engineering us a little camp light here for the night.
Feeling pretty good, ain't it?
Too early still. Wow. I'm shocked, dude.
officially struck out here. It's time to let's go back where we started and see if we can't find a goblin bird.
I like that.
It's lock 30.
Don't that look juicy right there? Yeah, ring musky, that big rock. See if we can see a sucker in here. I could see him yesterday.
Yep, I see one up there.
You sit here in the red worm, we could have caught a few.
Look at all of them up there.
Yeah, oh my God, there's like, look at them on the riffle. Do you see all them?
10 of them.
They're huge. At least the sucker are active today. Can't really see him on the camera though. All right, well, we have successfully got our butts handed to us this morning. We've already logged probably 3 miles on foot.
Probably more.
Not heard one gobble yet. Where we'd planned on hunting this morning, where we camped, we had I don't know, there was a militia of hunters came up here. We've seen 4 or 5 vehicles, and where we was gonna hunt, there was already someone parked there, and we were there an hour before daylight. But so we decided to pack up and go to a farm that had good luck with. But like I said, we didn't hear a single gobble, and was back in there for a couple hours. So we heard one back where we started this morning. We were across the river and we heard a gobble, so we headed up here. Probably gonna make our way up this hill. See if we can't strike them. Yeah, this looks steeper the further we go. Yeah, you just looking at this? Shit straight up.
How much do you want it?
I want it, but I mean, I work smarter, not harder.
Right here.
We're gonna pitch up and go ahead. Yeah, we need to get up.
We need to pitch up now.
Look at that. What kind of bird is that?
A woodpecker.
Alright, here, let's leave it. We ain't got time. Alright, we just heard a bird up here. Sounds like about 2/3 of the way up the hill.
I say we pitch up right here.
We're gonna pitch up and go ahead and get on him. Let's go right here. Oh, buddy, this gets me going. I want to make sure we're keeping our distance. if they come right up at us right there. Right here's a little better coverage though. We'll just come in quiet somewhere. They're right here, dude. They're right here. I see them. Point the camera. They're 30 yards in front of me. Need him to come a couple more steps. I'm about to see. Okay. He's right there. Did you lay the one down? Yeah. Down. Right here, right here. He's 40 yards. Stand up, see him? No. Right down your barrel. I don't. That's alright. See him like late. You can't force it. That's a deep shot. That was 70 yards. Here. It's all good. Did that happen quick or what? Nice. Got him. Yeah. That's a heavy bird, dude. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? I don't know if I got it on footage. We heard these birds gobble from the road. We pitched up this hill. We set up in one spot. Called. I don't think they could hear us from there, do you?
Doubt it.
And a crow came by and we heard them gobble. We heard two gobble. So we probably came another 200 yards up or down the ridge. Set up on this bench. What, called one or two times, never answered. Heard footsteps and I seen a head at 40 yards. They came right up to 30 yards, probably 25 yards. Trying to get Peyton that other one, but it's so thick right here, dude, ain't it?
Yeah, plus
I mean, it's so thick. If this was 2 weeks ago, you could have killed both of them easy. It's so thick in here. But we got one at least. We know where another one is. Wow. So we didn't have a turkey answer to a turkey call all day and still killed one. It's turkey hunting. Huh. Well, that bird's spooked, but we'll go see if we can find another one.
That's a perfect picture.
Oh, dude.
We gotta go get on that.
That feels good.
What's that here?
Yeah, I knew them gobbling like that this late in the morning. They're by themselves, fired up. I wish you could have got that other one. I thought when I shot, just because they're by, I was like, he's gonna go over and flog that other one. He'll be there just attacking them. Which he sat around for a minute. It's just too thick. He was sat there for a minute. You couldn't see anything. Yeah, dude, that feels really good. First day.